Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a spring makeup tutorial. Let's get started. First I will use this NYX Born to Glow primer. For some extra glow I will use this cream stick from Maybelline on the high points of the face and blend everything. Foundation, the Fit Me. For a fresh spring summery makeup I like to use foundations that have dewy finish, not a matte finish, for really fresh and glowy, fresh looking skin. I'm using the sponge from Rio Techniques to apply it. And this foundation I really enjoy because it has really nice sheen. Dewy gives the skin a natural glow and sheen that I really like, and it's perfect for springtime. I will take the Catrice Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I have really bad dark circles and I need some brightness. Using the beauty sponge again. This tool is the best tool to apply. You can apply almost everything for your face. Makeup, highlighter, powder, concealer, foundation. Amazing tool. Like that. Some powder, loose powder. This is the Rimmel London transparent powder. I will use a really small amount of it just to bake my under eye. Bake that concealer so it does not crease. But I will skip powdering my entire face because I want to keep that dewy finish look. For contour I'm using the NYX Contouring Palette and I'm using this ashy shade to contour a bit. And this is my recent everyday makeup look. Super easy, super quick and fresh. You can see when you want to contour, it's better to use a more ashy shade to give some shadow to the face. A little bit of bronzer. I'm using the MAC Studio Care Blend powder in the shade Dark. Now, just to give the skin a glow. You can apply to the neck also. Blush, I'm using the MAC Dainty blush. It's beautiful baby pink shade. Such a nice shade for a healthy looking skin. What I like to do is to take big fluffy brush and go over and blend everything together. Next I will use this setting spray by NYX. It's the dewy version, so everything melts really nice before doing my brows and apply eye makeup. For highlighter, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette. To add even more glow, I'm using the highlighter by the Balm. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Ash Brown. I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Mascara, the shade Blond. For the eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I will be using this shade Twilight, Dual Home shade. I want to use also the shade Royal, purple shimmer shade. I will be using this Essence waterproof liner. Okay, mascara. I'm using the Lash Princess mascara by Essence. So I applied some false lashes to finish off the look. That's my spring makeup look. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos do you want to see more here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!